Oh. Good morning, guys. Today is March 8th. I have been posting like a weekly day in my life. I started to do something for the weekend. Sorry, I'm trying to get comfortable. I tried to do something for the weekend, and Callie is over there in my bed watching her watching her little kid stuff. So it's a Tuesday. This is usually when I film. So I am going to film a St. Patrick's Day makeup look and another book haul. I know you guys are probably getting a little annoyed with my obsessions because I went through like it wasn't really like an obsession. I went through like a Bath and Body Works and like Victoria's Secret situation. So all of this is like my body care, and I even have some stuff in there and over there. So I don't really have any room to buy anything else, and I'm kind of trying to wait for it to be like spring or summer before I buy anything else. So that'll give me some time to use a lot of these products. So right now, earlier this morning, I made some coffee. I had a little post of that on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. And now I'm about to film. And I think for today, I do want to go to Barnes & Noble's. Maybe, like take my baby to Barnes & Noble's. And yeah, so let's go ahead. Another day in my life. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and film and I'll be back. I'm sorry, when you gain weight, sweatpants are like your favorite thing. So this is what I am wearing today. I'm also going to pair it with some Uggs. We're working on this part. Okay, so you can probably hear my heat going. I am now, me and Callie are about to go to, Callie, can you turn that down, please?
Sure, I can.
Callie and I are on our way to Barnes & Noble just to kind of get out of the house. It's really pretty out, nice day. So we're just gonna head to Barnes & Noble's just for a little bit. What you see there, those are clothes for Goodwill. I just have to find, you find like those little areas where you can drop them in. So I gotta find one of those. So now we're on our way to Barnes & Noble's. Just gonna take a little road trip, just to kind of, get out of the house. I wanted to go to the gym this morning and I didn't, but I might end up going later on this afternoon, this evening. And I also need to clean my house, so you guys will see all of that. So we just came from Barnes and Noble's. Kelly got her little egg that she doesn't deserve because she was being a crybaby. Okay, so she got an egg. I got some books. I don't like this bag. Kind of wanted like the green bag. So I'll show you the 3 books I got. I did partake in the buy one get one 50% off. So I bought Mexican Gothic by Sylvia Moreno Garcia. Yes. So Mexican Gothic by Sylvia Moreno Garcia. I might have said that right that time, but Moreno Garcia. So it's this one. Then I got Get a Life, Chloe Brown. I hear this is really good, kind of raunchy. And the author is Black. And then I had this on my TBR on my Goodreads, one of the books that I really wanted to read. And this is by Christina Loren, and this is Soulmate Equation. The Soulmate Equation. I don't even know what this is about. Looks interesting. It's got like text messages in here. Oh, I lost it. Oh no, I found it. Like, you got like a whole text message conversation. I know y'all probably see Callie in here. All right, we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go back home. Okay, I don't usually like to do this while like my door is open, but going to the bookstore has made me want to finish my book that I am currently reading. This is Ricochet by Krista and Becca Ritchie. This is the 2nd book in the Addicted series, and I have about this much left. So I'm on page 232, and before the bonus scene, there is 250. So I can finish this in a few minutes, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that because you guys saw like I bought some new books, so I kind of want to start some. I want to see how many books I can finish in the month of March, since I didn't really start this journey on how many books I can read and how many books I can get through in a month. I've never done like TBRs or anything like that. I've usually just picked up a book and whatever happened. But lately, for my sanity and for my mental health, reading has helped, and it helps me sleep as well. So less phone time and less Instagram and all those things that make me feel terrible about myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this book, and then I'm gonna try to clean. I need to clean. I typically like to read in my reading chair, but I think I just want to stay in my bed right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I am currently sitting in my bed. I finished the book Ricochet, which is absolutely amazing. Follow me on Goodreads. I will have that link down in the description because I did absolutely love that book. And between Addicted and Ricochet, I can see the hype over the series, but because I read the 1st and the 2nd book back to back, I don't want to become like sick of the series, so I'm starting something new. So my daughter Dylan picked One of Us is Lying. This is a thriller, so I'm gonna read this and then tuck into bed tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching my day in the life. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay blessed.